So, hello guys. Today I'm going to be making a little vlog talking about something coming up, and it's a while away, but I want to talk to you guys about it, see if any of you guys may be interested in coming with me. It does relate to the Grom. Also, if you have a Z125, Ruckus, any small bore bike, you'll want to be listening to the rest of this video. Even if you don't live close to me, if you live between like Illinois and Tennessee, so Kentucky, Indiana, so like Illinois, Kentucky, Indiana, Tennessee, you'll probably want to be listening to this video, because in about 1 year, it's about 11 months away, probably more near 10 months away, when I'm releasing this video. Me, and I'll probably have a few more people come with from my location here up in northern Illinois. Probably be leaving from DeKalb, possibly. That's not where I live, so give that town. It's a few times over. It's decent size here in northern Illinois. But probably leaving from DeKalb, Illinois, with possibly, I want to say, I know at least one other person's going to come with me. My friend. He doesn't have a small bore bike. He has an R6, but he thought about renting like a Harley. I was like, hey, I mean, you can still come with, but you'll look odd as fuck. So he has the R6. He was like, I already look odd as fuck with that, so I might rent a Harley and have a fucking comfy right there, because we are driving these things all the way from northern Illinois down to Townsend, Tennessee for the Smokey Mountain Crawl. It's about, if we take stops for gas and possibly probably eat one time in the middle, it'll probably take around, it'll probably be around 15.5 to 16 hours with stops. If we don't stop, it'll probably be more near 14.5 hours. So yeah. Really fun time, guys. Some people ask me why I'm fucking crazy for doing this, but I see it as being pretty damn fun. You know, it's like 600 and some miles on a Grom, just straight, stopping for gas and probably to eat somewhere one time in the middle. Eating, we'll probably eat either in or between Indianapolis and Louisville, because that's around the halfway point. That's around halfway, so probably eat somewhere around that area. But what made me do this is I've seen people go to the Smokey Mountain Crawl. I just watched Photogrammer do his across a coast-to-coast videos where he went from California to Florida, and I just thought something like this would be really cool. Most people that do come from a long ways away, most of them throw the fucking Grom Z whatever in a fucking back of a truck and haul it there, which is what me and my friend were gonna do. But I might have like a group of like 5 or 6 guys to start out with me and go down. But like I said, if guys are anywhere in between, we could meet up and we ride whatever from wherever you are down. Yeah. If you're somewhere in Indiana, Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee. We possibly could, you know, go off our route a little bit and just meet up with you and have you guys come along for the ride. That's gonna be fucking really long for us. This is gonna be like a week-long trip in total. I think we're getting there a day before the event, a day after. With our Airbnb that I need to book sometime. This is the actual events from June 7th through the 9th, I believe, is when they're gonna have it. They haven't like specified dates yet, but if like, you know, they're scheduling from like years past, those seem like the dates it's gonna be. So June 7th through the 9th, we'll be in Townsend, Tennessee for the event. The 6th, I believe we're getting there. We have to leave, you know, it's a fucking 15-hour trip. We'll probably actually leave very early morning on the 6th. So we probably won't actually have to leave like a day before, get there like the next day. But we'll probably check out of the Airbnb the 9th, probably get home the 10th, I'm guessing. Yeah. But if you guys want to hop along for the ride, I can, if you guys are somewhere in one of those states I mentioned, I can tell you like what cities you'll be riding through. You guys maybe can drive over to one of those cities. We'll meet up in one of the cities that we'll be like pretty much driving through in your state and meet up. What is that truck doing? He's like fucking backed up, parked off in the grass. Looks pretty shady what he's doing, not very sure. But yeah, that's kind of some exciting announcements. I'm gonna try to have like a group of like 5 or 6 guys start out and come with me to begin with. And we're probably gonna try to all get like an Airbnb. You guys that come won't be a part of the Airbnb. You guys can make your own hotel reservations, Airbnbs. But people that do start out with me, that I do know and come with, we're gonna like probably have like a pretty huge Airbnb, like bunch of bedrooms, bunch of, you know, beds, bathrooms, really nice looking cabin. I saw one online, I think it was 3 bedrooms, like 7 beds actually, like 2 bathrooms. It looked super nice, so I was looking at that. If we get 6 total people to come with that I know, it'd be like $220 a person, which ain't bad, because it'd be like a 5-day Airbnb, 4 night. So it's not too terribly bad for what it was. I had like a hot tub there and everything, so it was pretty nice. Pretty nice and all that. So just look at my awesome Grom. It has about 1,500 miles. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna do the spinner cleaning and oil change. Haven't cleaned the spinner yet, so this is gonna be the second oil change. Doing it every 1,000. Actually, that's gonna be 900, but I'm gonna do it now every 1,000. I just the first one I did at 600, Second one I'm doing about 1500. But yeah. Yeah guys, just gonna sit out over here and look at my phone and dip a bit. As you see, some Copenhagen mint pouches. Not a sponsor, wish it would be. Mint pouches, that's my life. Check my phone here a bit. You guys can, if you guys want to, go check me out on the Snapchat. Go add me, tell me you're from YouTube and all. But yeah, please rate, comment, subscribe guys. Tell me if you're coming to the Smokey Mountain Crawl, even if you're not going to join us. 2019, I believe it's going to be June 7th through the 9th in Townsend, Tennessee is going to be the meetup. And then there's going to be the Tail of the Dragon, which is 318 turns, curves, whatever you want to say, and only 11 miles. So this thing is going to be put through quite a bit in that time. Actually, won't really be put through a lot leading up to that, because I'm not sure if I'm going to take it to college or not. And if I don't, I will pretty much only drive this thing like every other weekend, just a bit, probably maybe like 20 miles every other weekend, and then like holiday times. And in Christmas, you know, I'm here in Illinois, so I can't drive it over Christmas break. Halloween, probably not. Maybe over Halloween. I mean, that's not real break. Thanksgiving break, whatever. Possibly over Thanksgiving. Maybe not, depending, you know, on Illinois bipolar weather, what she's gonna do and all. But yeah. Please rate, comment, subscribe guys. See you next video, and bye.